Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day. This video from Instant Nerd is about changing the settings of Instagram tags and mentions to enjoy a more personalized experience with privacy. First of all, you need to open up the Instagram profile on your smartphone. Here you can see your profile option on the bottom right corner of the page. Once on your profile, tap on these three bars to access the settings and activity menu. Here you'll need to look up for the tags and mention option. Tap on it and let the sub-settings load up. Now, the first option is allow tags from everyone. It lets everyone to tag you. The next is about allowing tags from the people you follow. Now, here are a few more options like allow mentions from everyone, allow mentions from people you follow, or don't allow mentions at all. There is also this review tag option. From here you can check who has tagged you and where. If no one has tagged you yet, you'll see this screen. Well, that's it. Now you know how to review and change the settings of Instagram tags and mentions. Enjoy a more personalized Instagram experience. For more such useful videos, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to my YouTube channel.